Let that shit breathe.
This flat out promo for these niggas. Let's go, guys!
Nigga living normally, rhyme with it. I'ma hit him up, I'ma fucking kill him. Run up with a mask with a black 40. Hit him in his hoodie, no way, boogie. Nigga living normally, rhyme with it. I'ma hit him up, I'ma fucking kill him. Run up with a mask with a black 40. Hit him in his hoodie, no way, boogie.
Might put foot to a bitch ass on some pimp shit. 10 hoes, 10 G's a night. Niggas getting rich. Any nigga get out of line, I got him. Southside across my back, I'm from the bottom. All a nigga need is a block and a connect. And a box of 9 MMs to load in the tech. That B4 gravy, a nigga half crazy. You pull it, better bang it, cause niggas will bring it. That foot's moving faster than crack, nigga, it's burning. Now move a couple pounds of that, now you're earning. Stack paper on every flip, won't even try to make bail when the bigs come. Just let her do her own thing. I tell you what he doing, he bag up for days till cocaine in his urine. His mama got bills, he avoiding the addiction. He play lookout and warn niggas when the dicks come.
Nigga living normally, rhyme with it. I'ma hit him up, I'ma fucking kill him. Run up with a mask with a black 40. Hit him in his hoodie, no way, boogie. Nigga living normally, rhyme with it. I'ma hit him up, I'ma fucking kill him. Run up with a mask with a black 40. Hit him in his hoodie, no way, boogie.
Say I'm ghetto, like a motherfucker. Pack heat, heavy, metal, like a motherfucker. You can say I'm ghetto, like a motherfucker. Pack heat, heavy, metal, like a motherfucker.